Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Summer is pretty much coming to a close. It is Labor Day today here in the States, so we wanted to go ahead and show you our take on the cheeseburger. We know there's a lot of videos out there, but this is our take. We got some cool tips. We hope you'll enjoy this video and come off with some interesting, things, as well as our take. So, without further ado, au revoir, summer. Let's get cooking. Chef's going to start off with 90-10 ground beef. So 90-10, it's a little bit leaner, but that's what Chef likes to do. You can do 80-20 if you do prefer. Chef's going to first start off by taking that fresh ground beef, putting it in a bowl, and cracking an egg right on top. He's now going to mix that egg into the ground beef, nice and thoroughly. And then next up, what he's going to do is take a couple tablespoons of some Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. And you can use gluten-free breadcrumbs as well. That works just as well. Put those right on there, just a couple tablespoons. And then again, continue that mixing. The egg and the breadcrumbs are something Chef said that he grew up with, to pass down from family to family, he said. A lot of people also do this, but he finds it holds the burger together. Next up, Chef made a large kind of like meatball there, and he took about a quarter of the meat off. Now you can form a patty with your hands. However, if you come across a patty kind of former, use that. So you make a small ball and you place it right in the center and you just kind of squeeze down and this forms your patties. If you come across these in a store, he said pick it up. They're really not expensive, and there you go. Nice formed patty. So he's got 4 patties. He put them in the fridge. The refrigerator is going to kind of keep them nice together and make them form, stay nice and tight. Chef, of course, has all his fixings ready. He did that off the side, he said. But get your fixings, onion, tomato, lettuce ready to go. It's been a half hour, and he's going to throw some salt and pepper on these. The time in the refrigerator kind of nicely formed them together, and if you want to do them overnight, Chef said you can definitely do that. After the seasoning, go ahead and put a little bit of oil on each side. And again, he's going to do this on the flip side as well. Before Chef heads out to the grill, he said grab a small bowl and put some nice soft butter and a brush in there. And he's going to explain this in a couple minutes. So Chef's big pet peeve, his grill's definitely used, as you can see. But look at his grill grates. He did say keep them nice and clean. Chef did a great job of cleaning his grill grates. He said don't have chicken from last week on there. Don't have meat from last year. It's not extra flavor. It's nasty. Okay, Chef's got his grill fired up. It's nice and hot. It's on high. He's going to go ahead and take those burgers that's been seasoned. He's got a little bit of oil on there to help. And he's going to place them right on the grill. He's going to do 2 right now. Oh, Chef, you need to really get some camera help. You doing everything again together? You got to put an ad out. And then shut the grill. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Slow down. Shut the grill right away. Keep that heat in. So it's been several minutes, and you can see there's some brown color coming up through the side. After several minutes, 4 or 5 minutes, you can really take a look. Take your spatula and give it a flip. Cut the music. Real important, everybody. Chef said, do not push down on your burger. You'll be pushing the juices out. Flip them, but don't press. Next up, Chef's going to take a bun, and he's going to butter the bottoms of those buns in case you want some toasted buns. Chef's going to do this as an example to show you. Put those right on the grill. Now, we're about 2 minutes out. He's been cooking here nicely for a while. He's got that warm butter we talked to you about, melted. It's, nice and soft. Put that right on that burger. 2 minutes out. You want to nicely baste and glaze these. The heat and the fire is going to caramelize that butter, and it's going to give you a great flavor. Let it cook for another minute or so. Give it a flip. That fire is going to really caramelize that butter up. And again, hit it again. A lot of flavor. This will bring your burger to the next level. Chef does this with his, and the people that have him love him. So give this a try, everybody. Next up now, we're pretty much in the home stretch. Chef's got some nicely sliced thick cheese. And he's going to put that right down there. That's sharp cheddar. You can use whatever you want, of course. And Chef's just going to go ahead and place that down and let those melt. So here we have a nice steady picture. I know you've been getting dizzy here. Sorry about that, folks. Our burger's ready to go. Cheese is nicely melted, and the buns are ready. So here's a quick picture of the buns. Have some great grill marks. Not everyone likes their buns toasted, so it's totally up to you. Chef's going to go ahead and start. He's got a little bit of mayonnaise on the bottom. And then he's just going to go ahead and take that nicely cooked burger right on top. Of course, cook it to your liking. And then we're just going to go ahead and pile it up. There we got our onion. Chef also has a nice slice of tomato he's going to put on top. And then he's going to follow it up with some lettuce right there. Now his top bun is going to have those ketchup and mustard right on top. He's going to place that right there. There you go. That's pretty much really it. Chef is going to cut into this for everyone. People want to see the insides. So here you go. Chef did say he cooked this to about medium. There's a little bit of pink inside. He likes medium, medium rare, but everybody's is different. Here's a good shot of that. So juicy, nice burger. Looks beautiful. And that's pretty much it. There you go. There's your classic cheeseburger. Some different tips in there that we use. We hope you liked it. He paired it with some French fries, obviously. We hope everyone has a great Labor Day or had a great summer. I know it was kind of a tricky summer this year with everything going on. We hope everyone is being safe and, continue to grill into the winter. Just keep going, even if it gets cold in your area. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it. Oh, there's Chef saying au revoir to summer. Thanks, everyone, for joining us, and we'll see you soon.